tables concept, and a list of tags details are over. So now we'll go for the examples on that. ఆ ప్రొజెక్టర్ ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చేలాగా అనిపిస్తుంది. First I'm designing a small table. This is the table tag opens and table tag close. If I run this program, what happens are a blank screen. Table tag we use is that is yesterday clearly explained. Table tag not drawing any tables. If you have already rows and columns or something, it's just grouping those all components. No table. So my yesterday's explanation point. So inside the table, first what we have to design is rows. First rows inside columns. Because table is a collection of rows and a row is a collection of columns. So rows, nothing but an TR. And how many rows you require? That number of times TR tag should be repeated. I need 100 rows, sir. 100 times TR tag is repeated. Compulsory. How many records you want to display? That number of times TR tag should be repeated. So there is no shortcuts for that one. There is no simplification process. Because we know just HTML only. That also not completely. 26 examples completed. So now can I run this one, sir? Blank. Up to get the data, table shape not going to forming. Data entered, then shape is going to starting slowly. So generally in tables, first row, what we have are headings. Which headings? Table headings, no, column headings. Table heading and here it will comes. Column headings and here it will comes. So forehead at top of the hair. Forehead, those called as the TH. I'm taking some rough data here. Some serial number, TH close. Next, the second one, name, TH close. Next, third one, some contact number, TH close. So now we'll get some output. Table comes as a data displaying in table format only, but lines something not comes. Data available. Alignment, so gaps, so everything is available. Only missing lines. Why lines not comes here? If you need lines, attributes required. If you want to highlight that horizontal lines, vertical lines, supporting attributes required. So initially I'm designing without any lines or etc. Next, the second row, just for formality, some records we are going to display here. So serial number some 101 TD. Why tag changes, sir? From second record onwards, data we have to display. Data. So that we are going to writing here 101 TD close. Next TD. Name of the student. Some TD close. Next TD. Some contact number. This is the process. First record, then similar second record, third record. Total 3 records. The rough data, sir. Don't ask the meaning of the data because first I don't know. This is table format. How many records you want to print like this, your choice. How many columns you want to print also your wish. With HTML అయితే not restricting anything, sir. There is no restrictions in number of rows and there is no restrictions in number of columns. It purely depends upon our data requirement only. So designing a simple table. For this table, I need borders, lines required. How to get it? Go to the table tag, write the border here. The HTML border attribute and moreover the table's personal attribute. So when you activate the border, value not required, sir. Just a border enough. When you write the border attribute, automatically lines are activated. We'll get the double line border. So you will get clearly table look now. The double lines border is an inbuilt feature. I don't want border, simply remove this attribute. I need CSS style of border, sir. That also possible. So style, border. This attribute we know whether. Couple of examples we use in this one. Not used. What madams? Border attribute not used. Sure. Previously what I used that border different, sir. 2 minutes back. Previously and not previous sessions. Before typing of this one I used other border. That is HTML border. This is CSS border. So border, what we have to type next? Pixels, 2 pixels. Next, solid. Next, color. Now we'll get the red color border. That is as a just outline of the box. This CSS border. Previously what we observed 2 minutes back are the HTML border. Difference so much is there. The HTML border. Both mixing flavor. So what you want, that is your wish. I have shown all available options related to specially borders. So which one you like, go through that one. So this is designing a simple table with a small data. Next, I want to design the table some little bit attractively and effectively, sir. It's okay, but not attractive format. Only lines are attraction. Colors, some size, nothing available. So I want to design the table with some different colors or different lines or something. Yes, 100% it's possible, sir. That's not a problem. But the data we are changing, not this data. Some other data will take it. What is the data, sir? Can you give an idea? Idea. Which type of data? Mark list. Next. Batches. Points table. Next. NIT faculty list. Salary kuda. So you want to know indirectly salary. Okay. IP IPL table, next example, I'll show that one, sir. Uh, Batches list I'm going to show you. Naresh IT website, new batches, what they are going to starting. Yesterday also we already checked it. List of batches available. Name of the course, faculty name, date of starting, time, registration, Zoom link is also available. That I'm going to design it. That data I'm taking, designing with our own style, but content copied from the there. IPL points table, next example I'll show, because for that we need some more special settings and more. So data I copied. Now I'm going to applying the styles. So first TR. Within that I'm going to preparing some headings. So H1 course, first heading, column heading. Second column heading, faculty. Third column heading, date. Next column heading, time. Link I'm deleting, link we don't need. These are the 4 information. So the full stack .NET core and Mr. Bangar Raju and 15th time. That's enough. This one I'm deleting here. Next TD. The time taken, sir, adjustment to that all alignments. Initially data ready. Once we'll check it, I design tags properly or not, we'll get the clear picture now. Something opening closings problem.
Yay. Aman jam. और जय मन.
You're wrong there. So this is initial table. Outline is ready. Now we'll apply some special styles on this one. First of all, size of the table. Why the very small size is comes the table, sir? It depends upon your data. The small values are available. As per the data, table size also automatically adjusting that one. If you have the big values, sir, suppose PM, now see the table size. Every column size depends upon your data length only. But without data length, I want to set the size of the table, sir. Width attribute we can apply. Width attribute. So here I have the table very congested. So I want to display some data little bit freely. Apply the width of the table. So go to the table here. Width equals to how much width you require, just write that one. 400 pixels. Height not necessary, width enough. 400 no use. 600. 700. It's a little bit freely. Height, sir. Height we don't need, sir. Height, if you adjust it, the table look is gone. Width only you can just focus it. No, sir, I need height also, sir. Height attribute available, just apply that attribute. Next one. This table, I want to get into center of my web page, sir. One corner available table, I want to get into center of my page. Yes, possible, sir. That's not a problem. Align option is there, na? Use that align option. Align equals to center. The total table moves to center of the page. Table comes to center of the page. Data, sir. Data original format it will continues. No, sir. Data also I want to get into center of the columns, sir. But text align attribute is there, no? Text align. apply the text align attribute, data also comes to center. But data center not good, sir. Left to correct to. Otherwise, sometimes right. Sometimes and especially price display. Numbers, numeric values available, that one right. But all are the text only, so left is best. Next, I want to apply some heading, new batches list. What to do? Caption tag is there, no? So apply the caption tag, and that is comes here. What is that? New batches list. So where this one comes at? Top of the table. In center. New batches list. Next what? Colors. But total table displaying in the black and white color format only. The total table displaying in the black and white format only. I need some colors for these things, sir. Yes, sir, we can go for the CSS styles and you can apply the colors what you are interested. So here go to the table tag. Style tag I am going to implementing. Tag selector I am implementing here. Tag selector. And what is my table background color? So take as per your interest. Background color of the table. If I said today any color, it displaying in yellow only. A screen problem. Oh? So colors impact not comes to you. For me it is displaying properly. For online students also perfectly displaying. Only for you a problem. The projector is something small problem, sir. The light green and text color red I am taking here. So total table color changed plus data color also changed. And one small suggestion here, when you are applying the background colors, immediately remove the borders. Lines 100% not encourageable. Color available, but shape missing, sir. Already color available, sir. Color neatly displaying as a box format. So there is no problem about the shape. Before color it is useful for us, but once the color is applied, that is not useful for us. It is looking good compared to previous one. Next, headings data all are displaying in the same style, sir. Headings same style, data is also same style, but basically headings always with a different format compared to data, with different color combination and different size also. I need that one, sir. Possible? That is not a matter. Width also I am shifting to here and deleting from here. What we discussed? Headings. So heading TH. The column headings available, all these called as the TH tag. So all these headings I want to display with the different color combination. And right here the color combination what you are expecting. I'm just trying the reverse color combination to the data. Bottom data just reverse color combination. Green and yellow change it to yellow and red and green. Data background light green, foreground red. Headings background red color, foreground green. Just quite reverse. The main heading already new batches information is available. This is also not looking like as a heading, sir. The small text to normal text like as appearances comes. That also I want to modify it, sir. No problem, sir. Caption. Caption tag is there. Oh, this is caption only. Caption also we are setting some headings. So first to try to increase the size. Heading size also I want to increase it, sir. Actually, color effective, sir. Still, if you want to increase the size, apply for the font size. Color applied together, it's always effectively displaying. Main heading is not effectively displaying. For that, we need a small patch of work.
నాకెందుకు
So
అన్నీ నాకు
take
ఇచ్చేయండి.
some 26 pixels.
Yes, sir.
Color, font size. Color red already is there, kada. Background color I am changing. Background color changing, red kada.
ఫస్ట్ వేయలేదా
నేనేం వేయలేదు.
ఫస్ట్ కూడా వేయాల్సింది కారణం
Yellow, yellow.
నేనేం వేయలే.
Background yellow.
దాంట్లో ఏం వేయలేదు.
Foreground red color. Size 26 pixels. And the main caption of the table.
అబద్ధం చేయొచ్చు ఉప్పు వేసావు.
This is
What
one
plan?
level
నేనేం
of
వేయలేదు.
table designing
ఆ ప్యాడ్
with
తీసుకుందులో పోసిన.
some special effects.
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు వాడు చెప్తున్నావు
ఏంది
ఏం వేయలేదు అన్నట్టుగా ఎందుకు?
మరి వేయలేదు అంటే
The
ఆ
normal
ప్యాకెట్
table
లోనే వచ్చినాయి ఎన్ని
without makeup.
అవునా?
With the makeup.
కాబట్టి ఇంకా చేసుకో.
Now not only makeup, sir. I need visual effects also, sir.
అటైతే
Graphics also required, sir. Graphics
అన్నీ
effects
అయిపోయి
and
ఇవి
old faces showing anger face showing the old. Again, a Bahubali type of graphics don't expect.
క్యారెక్టర్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి కదా అన్నీ అయిపోయి నేనేమనుకుంటున్నా అంటే అయ్యా
There
అనుకుంటున్నా
is some medium level table,
Table
sir. Designing a medium level table with some small settings. Next, I'm going to designing one more table. Here, maximum options I'm going to implementing. So before going to that one, see the small note point. Tables inside, we have to display the data only, sir. No, sir, that rule is not available. A table can contain the normal text, headings, paragraphs, division tags, images, anchor tags, any type of content we can place inside the table. There is no problem in that one. See that? So this is the table, TD, normal numerics, no problem. Next TD, something data. Okay, no problem. Next numerics with something, sir. 10th, some December 2022. A variety of data we can display in the tables. There is no problems. And it's generally formation. It's just awareness, sir, not program. Just some note points I'm explaining. Next, the second row I'm taking, sir. In second row, in first column, I want to display the label, sir. Yes, you can write label tag. Take some heading, username, label tag. Previously, how many tags we discussed, that all tags we can use inside the tables while presenting of the data. No objections in that one. Next, the second column, I want to display some span tags, sir. Yes, you can display the span tag, no problem. Some mangoes, span close. First column label tag, second column span tag. And third column, sir. What third column? Anchor tag, okay. I need anchor tag, sir. Something address, colon, click here. And anchor tag is close. So the second row, varieties of tags I placed here. The label, this is span, and this is anchor tag. It is plain clearly, see that. Next, one more row. First column, I'm going to placing some H2 tags, sir. No problem. We can place H2 tag. Next, the second column, I want to place some image tags, sir. That also possible, sir. Image SRC equals to write one of your images. So icon 1.png and image close. And third column also I want to place one image, sir. One second, write image. img src equals to images slash icon 2.png and image close. One heading, two images in the third row. The image big size, so table also big size. Image small size, the table also comes in small size. So, okay, in third column, instead of image, I'm going to place in some other thing. And already image I used here. What cell? Order list, unordered list is there, na? That I want to place it. And no objections. So, OL, order list, OL close, OL inside LI. And display some names roughly. HTML, LI close, CSS, LI close. Uh, JavaScript, LI close. So 3 LIs inside the table. What is finally moral of the story? A table can present any data, any tag also. No objections, no restrictions. So many varieties are there. It's just for your idea purpose, not official program. So go to the TD tag, sir. TD tag inside which data you want to present and what is the supporting tag, identify and use it. Can I use any of the tags, sir? Last 2 weeks, how many tags we completed? You can use any of the tag, that one, no problem. 100% it is acceptable. No restrictions in the number of tags and no restrictions in the type of the tag. Everything is acceptable, no problem. And next, అది పోయిందిలే, వైర్ ప్రాబ్లం అంట. నాని చూసాడు ఆల్రెడీ, కేబుల్ పోయిందంట. కేబుల్ పోయిందంట, నాని ఆల్రెడీ చెక్ చేశాడు. See the next example. So IPL table style we are going to designing, sir. Not only IPL, like that any table also. But an IPL table, points table, especially. In that points table, we have the normal data plus images also available. Why image, sir? For every team, one logo is there. So logos also we want to display. Or where is the logo, sir? Download from the Google. Google. Go to the Google, sir. Download all the teams' logos and copy into your folder. I think that is compulsory. Now total 8 images that will come, I think. The old IPL. 8 teams available, 8 images are comes. And I have already that images, sir. So those images I am copying from. No, we have already CSK, DC. Somewhere we use it, now. Order list on order list, I think. So images ready. There is no problem. And now data required, sir. So go to the Google, IPL previous tables available now. So copy the data, paste here and design the tags. The time taken process, like as of my previous example. That's why this program we already designed in another batch, sir. The data I'm copying, settings lively I'm going to explain it. Time saving, nothing else. Only table part I'm copying. table ready, sir, with the images also. One record I'll explain, see that. Table align equals to center as it is. Caption is IPL 22 points table, actually 21 points table. The caption POS, point of sale. POS అంటే point of sale కదా? నోనా? Position. Team name, played matches, won matches, lose, tie, and net run rate and points. Maybe headings. So what is the team position currently? Name of the team, how many matches they played, how many they won, how many they lost, how many tied, and what is the run rate and points. Total 8 columns. Next, data, TR, TD, position 1, TD, MI, Mumbai Indians. Opposite, a Mumbai Indians flag also available here. First, Mumbai Indians flag displaying, after that, name is displaying. Second column, close. Next, third column, sir. Matches played 14. 9 matches won. 5 matches gone. 0 tie. Run rate 0.4. Points total 18. The same pattern repeated for all teams. 8 teams. Now see the output once. Table with images. With just data, after applying the CSS, will get more effectiveness. Data proper, sir. There is no problem in that one. Next, start the CSS. Lot of CSS styles we require here. And a live